A man came to me recently struggling with his erections, and I told him the one thing that I would do first. Well, he sent me a text a few weeks later, and he was excited. He said, "My erection is starting to come back." It was about 2 weeks later that he sent me another text, and it said that my erection is all the way back. I don't know how to thank you. Well, I'm not sure that he really expected it, but I know he was desperate. And I don't think that he thought that it would happen that fast, but it did. Now, I want you to stay with me because what I'm going to share with you, that could change your situation. An erection is a blood flow event. Blood goes in, pressure builds, and erection happens. One of the most powerful things that you can do to improve blood flow throughout your entire body, including the blood flow that your erection depends off, that's to get some exercise. Because exercise does it naturally without pills. Exercise also reduces the anxiety that works against your erection. That means your body can relax and allow an erection to happen naturally. Now, here's the thing about the man that came to me. He decided to go back to the gym. But I know that for a lot of men, going back to the gym, that feels like a big step right now. So I'm not going to ask you to go to the gym today. I'm going to tell you just to go for a walk. Try to walk for 30 minutes if you can. That's it. Research has consistently shown that regular walking improves erectile function in men with ED. Not running, not weightlifting, walking. Do 30 minutes today. And then I want you to do it again in 2 days. That is where everything starts. Now, you can go back to the gym, or you can just start with taking a walk around the block. Both of those work because both of those are going to get your blood moving. And blood flow is what your erection needs. Now, exercise is just one part of the complete program that I have built specifically for men who want to restore their erection naturally. What I just told you, that's true. It's a real person, and he got real results. And it started with one decision: to move his body again. And you can make that same decision today. Walk around the block. Start there. And then hit that subscribe button because I release new tools like this every week. Now go down to the description. The link is one of the first things you'll see. Click on it now. And when you click on that link, I'll be right there waiting for you.